Hey everyone, welcome back to the Men's Essentials channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Casio G-Shock NASA edition. The model number is DW5600NASA21. On this channel, guys, I'm going to be doing reviews on items that I think all guys should have, like wallets, sunglasses, shoes, just anything I think men should have and use. If that's something you're interested in, please like and subscribe. So yeah, let's get into the review. So this watch, guys, is one that I had wanted to buy as soon as it was put out by Casio. Unfortunately, they sold out so quickly that I wasn't able to get one. So I had to get one on the secondary market now. But anyway, I loved this watch as soon as I opened it. It really made I just think it's so cool. I've always liked anything having to do with space flight, so this was definitely a great addition to my collection. The box that it came in itself is really cool. It's got some details regarding the launch, like you can see right there, and that was pretty cool. Now regarding the history of the launch itself, again, this watch is based on the NASA OV-102 space shuttle, which was launched on April 12th, 1981. The mission was dubbed the boldest test flight in history. I'm gonna look up some more history on that shuttle later. But anyway, they tried to make this watch, I guess, similar in design to the shuttle with the black and the white, and I think they did a pretty good job. One other detail about the space shuttle itself that I think is really cool is that it was one of the first shuttles to be reused. Actually, the rocket boosters that helped push it into space are the ones that would be reused, and the spacecraft itself was also reused. It was cool because it would take off like a space shuttle or like a rocket and then land like an airplane. I don't know if you've seen videos of it landing, but yeah, basically landed like an airplane. So yeah, they did, in my opinion, they did a pretty good job of making this similar in design and colors to the space shuttle. And as you guys can see on the side here on the tin, the case that comes with it, it's got some details about the shuttle flight. The model is the STS-1 of that shuttle. And it's been, there you can see 1981 to 2021, which is why they put this model out to celebrate a 40-year anniversary of the watch. So, hey, that's a cool detail. If you guys want to see more details regarding the stats of it on the side, you can rewind and watch those stats again. Now the watch itself came in this plastic bag inside of the case, so it was protected pretty well. Like I said, I got this watch on the secondary market, so I didn't know what to expect, but they did mention that it was in great condition, and when I pulled it out, it really was in great and amazing condition. First impressions is that the watch is super sturdy. It just feels sturdy, and now obviously it's a G-Shock, so what else would you expect, right? The black bezel is really cool in my opinion. It's not like pure black, it's almost like got a tint of gray in it, but they really did a good job of matching the white and black shades used on the shuttle itself. In my opinion, they used yeah, they just made it look very similar to the shuttle. On the back case there, you can see it's got 1981 2021 also, and the shuttle engraving. But yeah, overall, I'm in love with this watch. You can see the STS-1 right there, which was the shuttle model number, the United States in text there, and the flag. And then it's cool, it's got the NASA symbol right above, or right below the protection G-Shock section there. So Again, that's another cool detail. It feels really, really good in your hand. It feels strong, just like any other G-Shock. Another cool thing I want to highlight is the Loom. Now, it's got the 1981 and the year 2021 in the background there, along with the shuttle, and it's in a red color, and I think that is an amazing detail. It's so cool. Obviously the 40-year anniversary, you know, that's awesome. Again, I don't know how often I'll use this watch, so I'm not going to be using the Loom that much because I won't be out at night with it. So but that's just cool to see on a watch. And here's the back case, guys. It's got the engravings again, Casio, the same years I've mentioned before, and the shuttle. That's just really cool. You don't see too many watches nowadays that have cool engravings in the back. I personally prefer automatic watches that show the movement in the back with the clear case. But you know, if they don't have that, if they can do a cool design like this one did on the back, then I think that's a bonus. So buttons there, they're your general buttons that any Casio G-Shock comes with. There's the US symbol again. I think they did a great job of just making this almost look like a shuttle, but in watch form, right? One other detail I want to mention is when this watch was put out by Casio, it sold for $140. I did have to buy it at a bit of a higher price, obviously, because they sold out so quickly and they're in high demand. So if you are looking to buy this watch, I would say you're probably going to pay around $190 to $200, maybe a little more. Honestly, as time goes on, I think that this watch is just going to go up in price, and I don't ever plan on selling it. I'm just going to keep this watch in my collection, unless I absolutely have to sell it someday. But I just think it's such a cool watch that I'm not going to sell it. I'm just going to keep it. Yeah, I just thought I'd point that out in case you guys were thinking about buying it. Now looking at the face itself, it's actually pretty clear. Time is clear, date is clear there, so you're not going to have any issues seeing what time it is, what day it is. A few other details: this watch also has a 200-meter water resistance. It does come with a buzzer that sounds with the alarm and it flashes. That's not something I've tried yet, but I might test that out later on just to see what happens. And then it says that its accuracy, it'll approximately be plus or minus 15 seconds per month. So again, that's not that big of a deal to me because I'm not going to be wearing it all the time. So I think that's going to be okay. I'm honestly probably just going to wear this watch every once in a while if I want to match it with an outfit, but it's not going to be an everyday watch or an every month, or yeah, it'll just be rare when I do wear it. Here's one thing that I maybe wasn't as happy with is the buttons. They were not as easy to push as I expected. I wish that they would have made them a little bit bigger, or would have them stick out a little more. The buttons were a bit difficult to push, so if that's something you're concerned with, maybe this, you know, I don't know if it's a deal breaker for you. It's not for me, but you wouldn't like that on this watch. Again, I don't own any other G-Shocks, but I hope the other G-Shocks don't have the small button issue like that. Now when I did wear this watch, it did feel, again, it felt very sturdy on my wrist, and I think it was a good size for my wrist. It didn't feel cheap at all. It has some heft to it, so again, that's a feature that G-Shock promotes, so you'd hope that it's a strong watch, and it really is. Just putting it on, you can tell, and it feels great. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I had to say about this watch. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, or if you have this watch or own there is another NASA version Casio G-Shock. It's all white one. If you guys own that one, let me know, and let me know if you like that one too, because that one looks cool. I don't know if I'll buy that one. For me, this one will be enough, but overall, I think this is a great watch. It's a great collector's watch if that's what you want to do. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Again, thanks for stopping by Men's Essentials. Again, if you're interested in seeing more reviews about other watches, sunglasses, wallets, just anything that men use, please like and subscribe for that stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.